Bill, good morning to you. Look, you've kind of said that we're in a sell now, ask questions later environment, I think is how you put it. But maybe you're a glass half full kind of guy. Is there some opportunity in this market?
I do think so. I mean, we've been seeing this sell now, ask questions later for a couple months now as we got into earnings season. What I'm watching so closely is more for sellers' exhaustion. Look at a company like NVDA that reported yesterday, great Q1, record beats on gaming and data centers, but the revisions for their guidance on Q2, the current quarter, is what brought it down. It's actually coming back near unchanged. It might have gone positive while I'm talking here today. Things like that where negative news is shaken off and the stocks can turn positive. Apple was down more than 1% ahead of the bell as well on news that we've known for over a month now that they're going to take a hit on the revenue from up to about $8 billion. It's just in the news now. Same thing with Alphabet. They reported a month ago, but Snap took them down. I'm watching those three stocks very closely into the end of the week. If they finish strongly, NVIDIA, Apple, Alphabet, and get back to unchanged or positive on the week, that's, I think, a very good sign, and I think the market is ready to rally on that.
Ooh, a little bit of optimism. You know, the Fed, of course, signaling more half-point rate hikes will be necessary. What do you think of that, and does that necessarily mean a recession?
Well, the market anticipates this. This has become baked in now. 50 basis points in June, 50 basis points in July. But what I'm more paying attention to is people like the influential Atlanta Fed President Bostic. He's not a 2022 voter, but Esther, the Kansas City Fed President, is. Both of them were saying that 2% could be a time to really stop those rate hikes. And that brings us to that June and July hike. Now, I think we have an inflation showdown. I've been talking about this for quite a bit. You have inflation numbers for June, July, and August coming out in July, August, September. It aligns up with Jackson Hole very closely. If we get into Jackson Hole and inflation has not receded a little bit, then I think we're going to have a very hawkish pivot. But that leaves a 30 to 60-day window right now where I think we're coming out of this bottom here in equities, a little inverse head and shoulders on the S&P 500, getting out above a trend line. We're testing the 21-day moving average right now for the first time since April 21st. There's some momentum going higher, and this window right here gives us a 30 to 60-day rally.
I feel you pushing the momentum. Great stuff, Bill. We're out of time. I'm so sorry, but you got a lot in that time anyway. So, Bill, thank you so much. Appreciate it.